Adding lines of credit. There's TradeLineSupply.com where you can purchase trade lines to add those trade lines onto your credit to boost up your score. Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding for the last 2 decades. Call or text Angelo at 832-431-6331, or click on the link down below to get signed up to get pre-approved with Angelo. We'll reach out to your direct nationwide commercial and residential lender. We're working very hard to help and serve, transform, add value, whatever we can do to get you the funding, the capital for the different loans. So, the thing that I want to say that if you're trying to get like an FHA loan, right now the magic credit score is 620. For conventional, the magic credit score is really 700. VA, USDA, 620 and above. And if you're not at a 620, one of the things that we do with our company, and a lot of people are very intimidated when they apply for a loan because they're worried about getting denied. We're going to give you feedback and guidance. We work with many different credit law firms. We also do our own credit boosting. If we can figure it out for you, we'll help you to boost your score up. If we can't figure it out for you, we'll refer you to one of our credit law firms to help you to get your score high enough so you can qualify, so you can get approved. There's also a lot of things that you can do. You can use secure credit cards like First Progress, Capital One. There's a lot of banks right now that offer secure credit cards. Adding lines of credit. There's TradeLineSupply.com where you can purchase trade lines to add those trade lines onto your credit to boost up your score. You can also pull your credit at annualcreditreport.com, and you can go through that to scrub it to see if you have any negative or derogatories on there that you need to sell or get deleted. Because it's really important that you get your score as high as possible so you can get the best funding, and get approved for the loan. And that's the thing about our company. We're going to give you guidance. We're going to give you a roadmap, something to show you what you need to do so you can qualify, so you can make it happen. You might have a 608 credit score and you need a 620 for the program. We can, go through a simulation to help you to do a booster to get your score up. And we've done a ton of videos on our channel about the booster program. So there's no reason why not, to move forward, especially if it's a concern about credit, right? So call or text us at 832-431-6331, or you can be proactive. Click on the link down below to get signed up to get pre-approved with Angelo. We definitely want to hear from you guys. Reach out to Angelo Christian.